Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sama. Today I've got a DIY project to share with you. So as you can see from this temporary TV stand behind me, we are currently in a phase of life where we're kind of moving and trying to figure out what our new home is going to look like. Everything is very temporary right now. So this DIY project is going to be one step closer to the perfect household that I want in terms of design. Today I really want to make a beautiful feature wall out of cork. Feature wall is dedicated to photos and anything sentimental that I've collected over the past few years. I actually have a designated wall reserved for this specific project, and I've got the materials ready, and I'm going to try and succeed in making this feature wall really beautiful and showcase all of these photos and memorabilia that I've collected over the past few years. Anyway, wish me luck, like and subscribe, and let's get started. Subscribe! Here is the wall. I'm going to try and figure out how to paste this onto the wall and see whether it works. I mean, it should be. I'm probably going to start from the bottom and then work my way up. This covers 2.25 meters, square meters worth of area. So I'm hoping that my guesstimation is correct and that I bought enough to cover most of this. So it actually looks like this. It's not as thick as I'd hope, and I don't think that the pins will be able to like hold on, so I might have to get thinner ones, but yeah. Okay, so here's my plan. These are all self-adhesive. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start from the edge and I'll paste whatever I have up until the top with whatever measurements, like standard measurement it comes from. And then I will customize the sides and the rest of the top. I think that is the best solution without ruining the cork tiles. I've got a penknife as well, so when I cut it, it's gonna be nice and clean so that the edges won't look like janky or anything. Let's get started then. Okay, so we've got a slight problem. I have to figure out how to put the cork around this, and also I need to remove this guy, and it looks like it's been nailed in, so I'm just gonna use a hammer to try and pry it out. Let's see if it works. Slowly, because I don't want to. Oh, there you go. Oh, ta-da! Easy enough. Got it out. Here's my plan for how I'm going to put the cork around this light switch. I'm going to draw the outline of the tile here, like that. And then I'm just going to use a measuring tape to measure the dimensions. Like, just a very simple mathematical way of doing it. Hopefully the window that I cut out will fit the switch perfectly, if I don't mess up the measurements. And I'm gonna try and do it so that it fits perfectly because I don't want it to look ugly. Alright, so far so good. I don't want this to be the downfall of this project. I've drawn out the outline of the cork tile here. And what I did was I measured all around. So this to the edge of the outline of the cork tile is 2 centimeters. This to the edge is 1 centimeter and 1.2. And then from here, from the top of the switch to the bottom is about 10.2, and it's more or less the same across as well, so 10.2. I measured that out and I drew the square here. Now this is where I'm going to cut. I'm going to use the knife and I'm going to cut this. I might give a little bit of leeway, half a millimeter or something, just so that it can fit. But I'm gonna start off cutting it exactly as I measured, and then I'm gonna test it out to see if it fits. If it doesn't, then I'll trim it off. Hopefully it works. All right, moment of truth. Let's see if what I cut out actually fits this. Yes, perfect fit. That's pretty good in my opinion. I'm very proud of myself. So I'm just gonna paste this now. Okay, I've completed 2/3 of the wall right now. My plan to complete this wall is to measure each width for the rest of this random sized bare wall that I still need to complete. The reason being, some parts of the tiles are maybe like 2 millimeters off. They're not all 30 cm by 30 cm as the packaging claims. So I need to measure each one so that it is all aligned on one side. Unfortunately, it's time consuming, but I want it to be perfect, so I'm okay with that. And then I have to complete the top. And once that's done, we can start putting stuff up on this cork wall. All the photos and sentimental things that I've collected over the years. And it's gonna look amazing. So let's go. Okay, so that's the wall done. I'm just gonna clean up a little bit, and then I'm gonna put up all the photos, and we're gonna see a complete transformation of this cork wall. As you can see, it's 6:05 now. I've spent a whole afternoon on this cork wall, but so far I like how it's looking. But I still need to fill it up. There's still tons of things that we could use to fill it up. But I'll show you what we have so far. This is what we have so far. Please ignore that mattress that we're getting rid of. We've got some travel photos. This is Anthony Gormley, Frida Kahlo, a drawing by Lana, which is really cute. I've got the medal from Pedal for Scotland and a photo with Emmy and Alex. This are my friends from Malaysia, Vidya, Rachel, Voon, Shini. There's Jaslyn and Yvonne, me and Yvonne. There's Nikki. That's us having hot pot. And then this is our friends in Glasgow during Fraser's 27th birthday. Some photos of us in Portugal and Lagavulin in Araseg. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video of me doing a DIY cork wall. I think it turned out pretty decent. I like that this whole wall has become now a feature wall in the apartment. And yeah, I'm gonna continue filling it up. I'm pretty sure there are boxes all around the house that I'll have a bunch of stuff that I can actually use to decorate this wall. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!